Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Roblox Quick Login. The first thing you will need to do is open Roblox. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down until you see Quick Login. You'll simply tap on that. And from here you will see only enter codes that you requested and never enter another user's code. And you will see enter code from other device. And for example, I will go into my device browser and I'll type in Roblox, and let's say I should tap on Roblox and I want to log into Roblox. So once it loads up, I'll tap on continue in browser. Then I'll simply tap on, instead of entering my login information, I'll tap on another logged in device right here. And once I've tapped on that, it will give me a code. And from here I can quickly copy the code. And after copying the code, I can quickly go back into the Roblox app, enter the code that I had copied. Let me do that real quick. And once you have done that, you will see you are about to sign in, and this new device will receive access to your account. And you'll tap on confirm login, then tap on done. And now when you go into the browser, it will automatically start logging in, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.